I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about psychoeducation in counselling and psychotherapy. Psychoeducation is a big word for something which is quite simple and is used by most therapists with clients. And it usually relates to helping the client understand why they experience certain bodily or mental symptoms when they're experiencing anxiety, depression, or when they've been through a traumatic experience. So the way that we would use psychoeducation is to discuss with the client their physical manifestations of their anxiety, how they experience racing thoughts. There's a variety of things we would discuss in the context of psychoeducation. And the purpose of psychoeducation is to give the client a better understanding about how the mind-body connection is working to cause them to have the symptoms that they're having. So in the context of anxiety, we might say that there's increased heart rate, it's harder to breathe, we feel ourselves sweating, our skin prickles, all the things that we would associate with a panic state. And in psychoeducation, we would focus in very much on fight or flight response in terms of anxiety. Those symptoms are related to an increase in adrenaline, which increases heart rate and gets your body ready to move. It's really interesting how many people don't have an awareness of the mind-body connection in their symptoms that they're experiencing. And psychoeducation is something that we work with so much in therapy because it really gives the client a feeling of power over their experiences. It helps them to rationalise what is happening to them. They know that if they are experiencing increased heart rate, that there's adrenaline. What can I do to reduce my adrenaline at the moment? What do I need to do to soothe myself to reduce the adrenaline that I'm experiencing? So psychoeducation is massively impactful for clients. And if you've had therapy, I expect that you have experienced some kind of psychoeducation. So these processes that we use in therapy, they're not magic, and they're not something that we keep to ourselves as some kind of voodoo stuff that we're trying to trick you into getting better. It's very much about empowering the client to really understand themselves better and what's happening for them. I hope that's been useful for you to hear about. Obviously, if you want more information on psychoeducation, you know there's a wealth of stuff out there on the web. Just have a Google or get in touch with me and I'll talk to you a little bit more about it. Bye.